Do you want to take your cooking to the next level? Well, here's a secret. Master the art of roasting garlic. Roasting garlic elevates your dishes with an unforgettable flavor. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, take a whole bulb of garlic and slice off the top to expose the cloves. Place the garlic bulb on a sheet of aluminum foil. Drizzle it with olive oil and sprinkle a pinch of salt. Wrap the bulb tightly with the foil, creating a packet. Now, place it in the preheated oven and let it roast for about 40 minutes. As the garlic roasts, the flavor intensifies, mellowing out its pungent taste. Once it's done, remove the bulb from the oven and let it cool slightly. Now, watch as the cloves easily slide out of their papery skin. Mash the roasted garlic with a fork, and your kitchen will be filled with a heavenly aroma. Now, add this flavorful goodness to your dishes. Roasted garlic can be spread on crispy bread, stirred into creamy dips, or even used as a marinade. Its rich, sweet taste will transform any dish into a culinary masterpiece. So, master the art of roasting garlic and take your culinary creations to new heights. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this great tip.